Hi everyone, it's me Zarina, your friend from Malaysia. How are you doing? Apa kabar? I hope you are doing great practicing the phrases that I have taught so far. Today, I will be explaining about Malay letters pronunciation. Although we have been learning some greetings so far, I believe it is more important to learn about Malay letters and its pronunciation first before we start anything at all. My bad, sorry. Alright, let's start with Malay letters. The best thing about learning Malay is that it has the same exact letters used by English. So English speakers definitely have the advantage here. No new letters to memorize. However, the tricky area here is the pronunciation of the letters. Well, before we go to the second part, I will pronounce all the letters first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. What do you think? Same old, right? The best method to study Malay for beginners is actually to memorize the sound by syllables or just listen to the natives speak. My advice is for you to install an application called RTM Mobile into your handphone. Choose TV1 for Malay programs. Listen on how the natives speak Malay, and sometimes you would be able to see that we use a mix of English and Malay in our daily conversation, and it is acceptable. Let's get back on how to pronounce Malay letters, shall we? For A, E, I, O, U, they are the vowels which are used to form syllables in Malay language. Pronouncing A. A, there are two methods to pronounce A. Take the word apa, which means what. You can pronounce it as apa or upper, where the second method of pronunciation made the second syllable of upper sounds like it should be written as upper. I will give you some words example. Ayah, kata, lapar, bila, mata. Other than being used as a vowel to create syllables in Malay language, there are some words which have first syllables using A. I will give you some words example. Alam, asam, atas, Asia, akar. So, now you know there are two ways to pronounce A. The rest of the vowel will be explained along with the rest of the consonants letter together with example words as well. Pronouncing B. For B, ba, bi, bu, be, be, bo. Badan, bibir, labu, benar, belon, boleh. Pronouncing C. For C, cha, ci, cu, ce, ce, co. Cawan, Cina, cukai, celah, cendol, comel. Pronouncing D. For D, da, di, du, de, do. Dada, didek, dulang, dekat, debab, dodol. Pronouncing E. Other than being used as a vowel to create syllables in Malay language, there are some words which have first syllables using E. Emak, enak, ekar, If you notice from the examples, there are two ways of pronouncing E. The first E in emak is called as E pepet in Malay, and the second E with the accent mark is called as E taling. Don't worry, you don't have to memorize the terms. The more important thing for you is to know which pronunciation method is for which E, because in reality, there will be no accent mark to differentiate them when you come across an article in the newspaper or etc. How do we resolve this? By getting familiar with the Malay words containing both of this E pronunciation as much as possible. How? By listening and reading. In the beginning, even if you mispronounce them, the locals will still understand you because you are not native. Hence, it is understandable. You will find that in general, the local people are friendly, and if they care and not busy, they will definitely help you to correct your pronunciation. Remember, to err is human. Learn from your mistakes. Pronouncing F. For F, fa, fi, fu, fe, fe, fo. Faham, fikir, fulan, photo. Pronouncing G. For G, ga, gi, gu, ge, ge, go. Gaga, gigi, gula, gemas, gendong, golak. Pronouncing H. For H, ha, hi, hu, he, he, ho. Hakis, hitam, hujan, hendak, hemat, hormat. Pronouncing I. Other than being used as a vowel to create syllables in Malay language, there are some words which have first syllables using I. Ikan, ihsan, idaman. Pronouncing J. For J, ja, ji, ju, je, je, jo. Jantan, jimat, jumpa, Jepun, Johor. Pronouncing K. For K, ka, ki, ku, ke, ke, ko. Kanan, kiri, kuman, kemas, ketut, kotak. Pronouncing L. For L, la, li, lu, le, le, lo. Lada, lihat, lupa, lekat, lepak, lorong. Pronouncing M. For M, ma, mi, mu, me, me, mo. Manis, misai, muka, menang, makeup, motor. Pronouncing N. For N, na, ni, nu, ne, ne, no. Nanas, nikah, nusa, neraka, nekat, nota. Pronouncing O. Other than being used as a vowel to create syllables in Malay language, there are some words which have first syllables using O. Otak, orang, olah. Pronouncing P. For P, pa, pi, pu, pe, pe, po. Pakai, pisang, pukat, perang, perang, polis. Pronouncing Q. For Q, there is no Malay words with Q except for imported words from other languages or special nouns like names, etc. Here, an example is Al-Quran. Pronouncing R. For R, ra, ri, ru, ro. Rakan, rimas, rumah, resah, reka, rosak. Pronouncing S. For S, sa, si, su, se, so. Salam, sihat, sukan, semak, setan, sorak. Pronouncing T. For T, ta, ti, tu, te, to. Taman, tilam, tukar, teka, tembak, tolak. Pronouncing U. For U, other than being used as a vowel to create syllables in Malay language, there are some words which have first syllables using U. Usai, ulam, ular. Pronouncing V. For V, there is no Malay words with V except for imported words from other languages or special nouns like names, etc. Pronouncing W. For W, wa, wi, wu, we, wo. Wacana, wibawa, wenang. Pronouncing X. For X, there is no Malay words with X except for imported words from other languages or special nouns like names, etc. Here an example is X-ray. Pronouncing Y. For Y, ya, yi, you, ye, yo. There are hardly words using yi, you, ye, yo as a single syllable except when added with suffixes. However, here I will list out words using ye as its syllable and please pay attention on the pronunciation. Ye, maya, saya, bahaya, supaya, payah. Pronouncing Z or Z. For Z or Z, za, zi, zu, ze, zo. There are hardly words using Z, zu, ze, zo, except for imported words from other languages or special nouns like names, etc. Here an example is Zaman. And my name is Zarina. Let's read an excerpt from the news, shall we? I normally check out the news from Astro Awani, and here is an excerpt about a couple from Bali. Focus on how I pronounce the syllables. Tuah si peluncur air. Kahwini wanita Inggris persis bintang Hollywood. Mungkin ada dalam kalangan Anda yang terfikir untuk tukar kerjaya selepas membaca kisah ini. Tetapi, jodoh itu bukan sesuatu yang boleh dirancang. Sebaliknya, yakinlah jodoh yang dihantar kepada kita adalah yang terbaik. How is the lesson today? It is easy, right? Want to practice speaking Malay language? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. Okay then, I hope that this lesson serves you well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Sampai jumpa lagi.